In the global commercial lighting field, product quality and safety are the cornerstones for companies to gain a foothold in the market. Since its establishment in 2015, Winway Lighting has always insisted on strict product standards and quality control to win the trust of global customers. Winway strictly implements the ISO 9001:2000 quality management system and establishes standardized processes in every step of the process, from design, research and development, raw material purchasing, to production and shipment, to ensure stable and reliable products. High-quality products come from high standards of raw material management. All suppliers are subject to stringent audits and certifications, and raw materials entering the factory must undergo optical, electrical and durability tests to ensure that every aspect of the process meets environmental and performance requirements. During the production process, Winway adopts multi-level quality control measures, automated equipment to ensure production accuracy, sampling recording of each process, and 100% power on and function tests before the finished products leave the factory. Only products that pass all tests can be delivered to customers. In order to ensure safety and durability, our products have to pass a number of professional tests, including high, low temperature and humidity resistance tests, long-time aging tests, electrical safety and protection level tests, e.g. IP65/IP66, and evaluation of luminous efficacy, color rendering and lifespan. These verifications ensure that each lamp can operate stably in different environments around the world. With the increasing global demand for energy saving, environmental protection and lighting safety, the international lighting industry has developed a number of international compliance standards. Currently, most of Winway's products have passed international certifications such as CE, CB, ROHS, FCC, EMC, etc., which meet the global market's strict requirements for environmental protection, safety and reliability. Each Winway luminaire carries our commitment to standards, quality and safety. Adhering to high standards and strict quality control makes Winway Lighting a trusted lighting partner for customers worldwide.